Okay, folks. Well, we're going to have to do this the hard way because watch. I removed this panel and they did not put no hole. So I'm going to have to reseal this up. But hey, it was worth a shot. You know what I mean? So we're going to try something else. All right. So basically, we got to get over there. So I'm going to go underneath. Look at this front cap. And I'll just have to seal it real good. There you go. I have to bring it up there because there's the front. All the instrumentation and stuff is right here. So I might be able to get away with it. And then I can secure it, seal it like all things. Look, they put Ethelbond tape on this. Look at that, all the way down. That's good. And then I have this one right here. So I might be able to go through this wing guard. Let me see. But I just have to follow that cable now. Yeah, the hunt is on. All right. Remember, folks, laying down on the job. So we're going to take another shot at this wing guard and see what, because this should already be in the system. It isn't that far from the front cap. All right. And I need a 12-volt source, a 120, and I need to run a cable through. All right, so here we go. We're going to take this off right here. And luckily I brought up what? Remember when I told you always bring up a square bit drive number 2 and a number 2 Phillips. All right, so we'll put this on pause. All right, folks, we took the cover off. Here we go. We got a hole already in here. Remember, we don't want to put no more holes than we have to. Maybe we got good luck. So I'll have to kind of measure it and see if I can route it up through here. I'll get some mechanics wire, try to fit it all the way from the front there to here. So I'm gonna put you on pause again, get my butt underneath.